Hello, YouTube. Welcome to the first grand premiere of Universe Elucidated. This is an instant premiere and you are watching it along with us. This was thought to be made on us reaching a support of over 100 subscribers. And we would love to thank all the community who participated along with us, engaging us to come up with new ideas every weekend. And in this grand premiere we will be covering on the changes we brought on to making new videos, and a short rewind of what was already going on from Universe Elucidated. So sit back and enjoy. Well, what you just saw was our old intro. And the first update is our new logo. You might have noticed it at the start of the video. And channel art along with an animated intro, which might as well be your cup of tea too. Here it is. For starters, Universe Elucidated was created on the motive of getting to know the universe for humanity, as we are humongously busy creatures, finding it difficult to spend time on knowing what is around the vast universe. There can be fascinating things to know about, like, is Earth only the possible home for us? How can we survive the last minutes before the universe end? What all is left to explore? This channel can help you over there. That is why our tagline was, keeping the universe at your fingertips. This video premieres live for 10 minutes and you can always watch the replay again. What you're seeing is the schedule we are gonna follow. First we will be looking at the milestones reached by us. Then we will be revealing few planned videos in the upcoming days. Then a short mix of how much we have moved along with you so far. At last we will be having two events, namely myth busting, which we have started recently, and lucky draw. So let's get started. Before that, we sincerely thank all our subscribers for supporting us till the very end. The images you see are Universe Elucidated subscribers who have made their subscription public. This video would not have been made possible today without you. Universe Elucidated channel was started on June 7, 2020. And our first video about us was released the very next day. You can watch the video via the link given in the description. Our popular uploads include theory of relativity, supernovas, neutron stars, etc. Our first playlists were created on the 4th of July. Namely, Stellar Life Cycle, Universe from Scratch, General Space and Space Awareness playlists. We will be letting you know shortly the new videos to be uploaded on each of the playlists. Then on the same day we also reached our first 50 subscribers along with an email from YouTube regarding our performances. We are so grateful for your helping hand. Our next milestone was reaching 1,000 views, then 2,000 views, and we are almost about to go 3,000 views now. Again, nothing would have been possible without your support. And now we are here, with 100 subscribers in our first grand premiere live show, and we will have one soon, when we reach 200 subscribers too. That is all with milestones, and now let's move on to future updates as per our schedule. First, we will be covering what are planetary nebulae in the dwarf star family the next weekend. So do stick by for that, and this will be updated in our Stellar Life Cycle series, so join the notification squad by ringing the bell. Also asked by one of our subscribers, we will be updating our space awareness playlists with new videos on whether searching an exoplanet for life is convenient or making the Earth a more habitable place to live is better. And for all those who ever wondered, teleportation is possible. This video on wormholes are for you. This would also be a part of Universe from Scratch playlists. And let's move on to Video Rewind. This is a short playback mix of our videos that explains vital concepts in short. So sit back and enjoy. A supernova is basically a massive explosion once a star runs out of fuel. They create heavier elements in this universe. A star's life cycle is determined by its mass. The larger its mass, the shorter its life cycle, are formed in clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae. Over time, hydrogen gas gets pulled up from the nebula by gravity and begins to spin. This eventually leads to the formation of a protostar. As time passes, nuclear fusion takes place inside the cloud's core and now becomes a main sequence star. As the star burns hydrogen in its core, it converted into helium by nuclear fusion. Suggests that, as an object falls into a black hole and approaches the singularity at the center, it will become stretched out, or spaghettified. Yes, like noodles. The existence of a singularity is often taken as proof that the theory of general relativity has broken down. You can't see the black hole directly, as, at the center of the black hole, the gravitational force is so strong that even light cannot escape. A black hole is bounded by a well-defined surface, or edge, known as the event horizon, within which nothing can be seen. For more videos like this from us, keep supporting Universe Elucidated. I hope you enjoyed the rewind and got something new. And now it is the time for a new event: myth busting and lucky draw. Myth busting and lucky draw is an event planned from now on. And here is how it works. Step 1. Participants who are interested can comment your questions or misconceptions on our latest videos at that time, or via our mail, and top 5 interesting questions will be taken into depth explanation and myth busting by Universe Elucidated. These are made into separate playlists and enables yourself to participate among with us. You can also post your questions via other social media, such as our official Instagram account. More details will be provided in the description.